Hello dear fans. What is an atom? The name of the atom comes from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. This happened even before it was discovered that it consists of many smaller particles, electrons, protons, neutrons. They did not change the name, having adopted at the International Congress of Chemists in Karlsruhe in 1860 that the atom is the smallest indivisible carrier of the chemical properties of an element. The composition of any atom includes a nucleus, which occupies a negligible volume, but has concentrated in itself almost all of its mass, and electrons revolving around the nucleus in orbitals. Usually, the nucleus is neutral, that is, the total negative charge of the electrons is balanced by the total positive charge of the protons contained in the nucleus. The neutrons in it, as you can easily guess from the name itself, do not carry any charge. If the number of electrons exceeds the number of protons or is inferior to it, the atom becomes an ion, charged negatively or, respectively, positively. The structure of the atom has been the subject of heated debate since ancient times. Such outstanding people as the ancient Greek scientist Democritus, the ancient Roman poet Titus Lucretius Car, the author of the famous work On the Nature of Things, believed that the properties of the smallest particles are due to their shape, as well as the presence, or absence, of sharp, protruding elements. The famous physicist Thomson, who discovered the electron in 1897, proposed his own model of the atom. According to her, he is a kind of spherical body, inside which, like raisins in a pudding or cake, there are electrons. The equally famous physicist Rutherford, a student of Thomson, empirically established the impossibility of such a model and proposed his own planetary model of the atom. Later, thanks to the efforts of many world-famous scientists, such as Bohr, Planck, Schrödinger and others, the planetary model was developed. Quantum mechanics was created, with the help of which it was possible to explain the behavior of atomic particles and to resolve the paradoxes that arose. The chemical properties of an atom depend on the configuration of its electron shell. Its mass is measured in atomic units. 1 atomic unit is equal to 1/12 of the mass of an atom of the isotope of carbon-12. The location of an atom in the periodic table depends on the electrical charge of the nucleus. Atoms are so tiny that they cannot be seen even with the most powerful optical microscope. An image of an electron cloud around an atomic nucleus can be obtained with an electron microscope. Thanks for watching.